If you're thinking about earning passive income with crypto, Nexo is a name you've probably seen, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a regular crypto wallet, when in reality Nexo combines secure storage, instant crypto-backed loans, and staking rewards that can boost your portfolio. Nexo allows you to deposit cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, then earn interest on them through their staking platform. The rates vary depending on the asset, but you can earn up to 12% annually on certain stablecoins, which is significantly higher than traditional bank savings accounts. One key advantage is flexibility. You can choose between flexible plans, where you can withdraw anytime, or fixed-term plans for higher interest rates. Security is another strong point. Nexo stores over 95% of assets in cold storage and has insurance coverage on custodial assets, which gives peace of mind for investors. The platform also offers a simple interface for monitoring your portfolio and tracking rewards in real time. However, it's important to note that crypto staking carries risk. Prices of cryptocurrencies fluctuate, and while Nexo provides interest, the underlying asset value can go up or down. Additionally, some users report that withdrawal processing can take a few hours, especially for larger amounts. In conclusion, Nexo is an excellent platform for those looking to earn passive income on crypto holdings while maintaining easy access to their assets. If you are comfortable with crypto risk and want a mix of staking and lending features, Nexo is worth considering. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest crypto platform insights to make smarter investing decisions.